My YouTube channel. This is Varsh Dambi, and today we are at Asia's house and we are doing Asia skincare haul, which is not a haul.
Skin and
exactly.
body and hair care and everything.
Yes, so body haul, which is very
Wrong
thing to say.
word actually.
So yeah, we have Asia Mumaya with us.
Can you
Camera
please go
guys,
into
you-
the screen?
Ah.
You're
So
not.
she'll be guiding us with everything. But you can sit for now.
No.
Okay, sure.
You
We'll
guys
start
have.
with moisturizers. Guys, I need to figure it out, so give me
The
some
black one is
time.
also moisturized.
This one?
No, the
Oh.
yeah.
The amount of.
मार के चला जाएगा आवाज इधर तक आता नहीं है
हाँ तो फोन करो ना.
अरे मेरी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ और कोई की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं तो चाबी भी लेके जाऊंगा
इंटरप्ट कर दिया आपने. हमारा
It's okay, uncle. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Uncle could have said hi
So
to
the
my.
first moisturizer that we have that Ishan told is a moisturizer, but I can't see it here. Is moisturizer. Sorry guys.
blind. Show.
Is Bombay Shaving Company's
Bombay Shaving Company तू कोला use
Yeah,
करेंगे
but-
थी.
अबे but it's for
Janie.
Malish Marvels.
Please.
Though it didn't have any words.
Bombay
all of
Shaving
these.
Company's Shea Butter Moisturizer. I don't think Isha uses that much because
I do.
you do, she does. Sorry guys. So how moisturizing it is?
So I like how this has no fragrance, so which is nice for your skin.
Okay.
Don't use products with a lot of fragrance. This has a lot of fragrance.
Excuse me, did we start with this one?
Sorry, okay.
Okay, so this was our first moisturizer. Now we are going to be.
Though it's just going to take 10 hours to describe one. I'll stop.
Cameraman, you're not. Oh,
First
sorry.
finish all moisturizers, then
Yeah,
body
this
butters.
is, so तू ही कब करेगा वो? Then this is a moisturizer.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a moisturizer according to Isha. So this is a moisturizer.
Read it.
This is Vaseline's Gluta.
Haya.
Gluta Haya Flawless Glow Serum in Lotion. This seems more like a serum, but since it's hydrating and it's applied on skin, it's a moisturizer. We are going to,
Swatch test.
yes, application test. Okay, I have taken this much. Less
Drop.
than pea size.
Drop.
How does it feel, Isha?
I know how it feels.
It seems like a very lightweight
Yeah, it's
moisturizer.
perfect for summers.
Perfect for summers, guys. Perfect for summers.
Vaseline,
You
wait,
can-
Vaseline, please sponsor me.
And Paris Vaseline, please, you need to give us.
Extra credits for that.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Also,
So this is the moisturizer that you are supposed to use right now because summers are going on. It's very hot outside.
yeah.
Not a sponsored video,
Yes,
guys.
not a sponsor video, guys.
I wish.
Yes.
भाई हम YouTube पे बजाती. Okay.
But but now we
Yeah,
got the
moisturizer.
sunscreens.
Though
No?
I was just going to
So
use.
the first sunscreen that we have. Sunscreen is a very essential.
Yeah, guys.
skincare product in summers because since it's summers right now and
Yeah.
the sun is sunning a lot, which it should
Especially in
not.
Bombay.
Yes, especially in
Okay,
Bombay.
you know that Glucon-D was that straw dalke
Mm.
Yeah, that is what
We
we're
are sucking it
experiencing
right now. And also, do you know that meme? Sun, Mumbai, Earth. Yes, that is exactly what is happening right now. So sunscreen. Getting back to the point, use sunscreen. So the first sunscreen that we have.
So
is,
you don't get tanned like Asia. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did get tan, and guys, it's very.
I said
difficult.
Asia, not you.
But also, Chanto, just a general knowledge, I did get tan a little while back,
Hmm.
and it is very difficult to get
Rid of the tan. Yeah.
tan out.
So
use
you know-
sunscreen. Let's come back to the
That
main
is
point.
from
That is
Instead of
from
getting
Dr.
tans.
Shades. For Indian skin, that is brown
Indian.
Dr. Shades. Yes, you all are
skin.
Indians. We all are Indians.
Ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. It's SPF 50, guys. SPF 50. Is it lightweight? Is it
No, for it is better for dry skin. I'd say not the best for oily skin, that which is mine. So I don't use this anymore.
We should throw this, but since she has kept it over.
Take two.
Take two.
Start.
What is this? This is a sunscreen.
Yeah, this is also a sunscreen, but this is
Why
like
are
a
you taking
gel
it in your hand?
based. Huh?
Why are you taking it in your hand? This is Fix Derma.
Shit.
This is Fix Derma Shadow SPF 50 Plus Gel.
Yeah, and it is dermatologist. It is non-comedogenic, so yours are better for
You took that in
sensitive.
your hand again.
So
It's Aisha's sunscreen. She can do whatever she wants.
Sensitives and acne-prone skin.
This is for sensitive and acne-prone skin. So, Jenny, you don't use it.
I won't use it.
Do you want to see? No, we don't want to see the application.
Yeah,
I think
so-
this is a spray wala.
Yeah, this is for body.
Oh, this is for body, guys. If you are going to Wet n Joy, that I'm going, I should use this.
Hey, you're not
Where
going
you're
Wet n Joy.
Where you're going?
Wet n Joy.
No, you don't lie. He's
No,
lying.
I am going to Magic Mountain, but in the same ticket we get Wet n Joy, and it's a combo offer, so like we can use Wet n Joy also. So we are first going to Wet n Joy.
Dhokebaz.
Betrayal, the amount of
Oh
betrayal.
boy, कितना बड़ा अच्छी हुई.
Yeah, चश्मे तो साफ भी नहीं थे. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is a spray wala sunscreen. So if you go to,
हाँ
if
अरे
you want to apply it on your body, and
For easier application.
हाँ
easier
actually it's very
application.
easy.
You don't need to take that tube wala sunscreen and then. So easier application.
Guys,
Movie
you can
sunscreen.
unsubscribe if it's too boring. Like,
Don't
I get it.
unsubscribe to my channel.
Yeah, just comment that you hate Dwaj.
Now what?
No.
Which, this is a sunscreen.
No, these are all moisturizers.
Oh guys, these two are also moisturizers. These are
For face. This is also
Cetaphil.
moisturizer.
This is CeraVe क्या?
Cetaphil.
Cetaphil.
Cetaphil is a very
This
trusted
is
brand.
also
If you
moisturizer.
are a new,
Yeah, you
this
can-
Is the time you are supposed to tell me this is a moisturizer.
You can
That
bring.
was lotion and
अरे
moisturizer.
पागल का
is
मथुरे
different.
sunscreen है.
Bitch.
Okay guys, so this is Cetaphil. Cetaphil is a very trusted brand. So if you are a very beginner, then I would suggest you to use Cetaphil because
Like me.
nothing can go wrong.
Yeah.
Safer option.
Yeah.
Why to try out different stuff?
Yeah.
So
Why to try out different stuff in sunscreen?
no moisturizer.
हाँ, I mean in
So
moisturizer.
these two are moisturizers of Cetaphil. These are the same thing, but this is in tube and this is in bottle.
No, it's different.
Oh.
Read it.
Oh, sorry.
See, what does this say?
Moisturizing lotion
No.
and moisturizing.
See, this is for normal to combination and sensitive skin. This is for dry to normal skin.
Dwaj is not an appropriate person to
Exactly.
describe.
Guys, whatever is being told over here, please don't listen to us. Go to your dermatologist.
No, guys, you all can come to me.
आओ नीचे caption
I have
वजह-
decent knowledge about this. Don't just yeah.
आओ नीचे कैप्शन में लिखे लाएंगे आप प्लीज रेफर टू योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट
Yeah. Okay.
So this is dry and sensitive skin. This is for normal to combination sensitive skin. Okay. Moisturizer. This was a moisturizer, which Aisha did not tell us, and these two are also moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer. I used it because
आई
Aisha
रियली
suggested-
लाइक पॉन्ड्स का
because this is very lightweight
And it does not have fragrance, which is nice.
don't know about the fragrance, but this is a very lightweight.
यू यूज्ड इट एंड यू डोंट नो इट
I used it once, Jaini.
Okay.
And
Why
this is
still a
also
loser?
propylene glycol cream.
This is Emoline. Everybody knows what is Emoline, though you don't know.
I
It's
don't
okay.
know. I don't
Arre,
use-
it's basically a very good moisturizer, but you should have patch tested before using it on face because it is comedogenic. So you can get acne if you have sensitive skin, but if you don't, then
Guys,
it's a very good
don't use this.
budget friendly moisturizer.
If you have very sensitive skin, then
How
you
much
should
is the
go to
price?
your dermatologist and
व्हाट्स द प्राइस एशा यू शो इफ
This
यू हैव
is for like,
345.
yeah, but it is a very big tube. Abhi it's like almost empty.
So guys, no, I won't suggest you this. If you have very sensitive skin, go to your dermat and ask him. or
like
her.
Dwaj's या एशा स्किन
Now this is body butter.
Yes, these are body butters.
Bro,
this
body
is
butters
the
is-
biggest stuff that you're gonna get over here. So
बॉडी
we are
बटर्स
gonna
आर
do
लाइक
ASMR. So
I'll
this is
open
the body butter. Aisha, please tell us what does body butter do?
So body butter is when in winters your skin is very very dry and you need some long retaining moisture. So that is when you use body
Can
butter.
I use body butter over here?
Yeah, but then you should also wear socks after that.
Okay.
And the
since
smell
I
is
don't have
so
a sock, can I apply
good.
it over here right now.
No.
smell is also good
So I'm
This
going
is but this is too fragrance, so you don't use it on face. Otherwise,
to. Yeah,
on
this
body.
is very jasmine.
obviously you cannot
And
use
this
it on
is
face
lavender, but this is very nice.
Okay, guys. So,
But this is more natural. That is.
guys, so I'm going to apply it for you guys. I have very
Ew.
dry skin.
guys.
इस किसी को भी
to any of
फूट
you who
fit
wait,
fetish.
To any of you who get ick from a dry and bad skin, see this is what.
This is a very moisturized skin, Isha. What are you telling?
Ew dwaj.
So guys, it's a very lightweight again.
Not lightweight
Oh,
body, but
well.
very
So
extra
confusing.
Oh,
More
extra
nourishing.
nourishing.
more moisturizing than a moisturizer.
It's for winters, not for summers.
Yeah.
Yes. So you got these two. This is from People Farm Body Butter Lavender. Is this the brand People Farm?
Yeah, that is a farm actually that makes products as well. So that is where my dad.
Okay,
got
that's it for today. This is the same brand.
Guys.
This is a moisturizer we did not get.
This is for hair. These both.
Oh, sorry. Guys, this is the only deodorant that we have. This is also used under your arms. This is a roll-on, so you can
This
use
is
it.
for post shower.
Yes, post-shower roll-on.
So you underarms don't smell bad.
Yes.
I usually use it
Body
for
odor na ache tela.
collarbone.
Collarbone, guys, collarbone. So use it.
Oh
And
yeah.
don't stink.
Actually, I want one
Bath
yaar.
and Body Works for.
मुझे गन्नू खपे हकड़ो.
What is this now?
This is benzol peroxide
Benzol peroxide.
and that is glycolic acid.
This is glycolic acid. Guys, somebody is calling me.
Who?
Kira hai?
Not your body.
Arey yaar.
I'll just.
Because someone called me and he called Jenny auntie. Oh.
I'll be back. Hershey.
Jhoot
So
hi
guys,
jhoot.
I don't know what these two are used for, glycolic acid cream and benzol peroxide gel. So we'll wait for Isha for that. These are the two cleansers. This is again Cetaphil. I would highly suggest this cleanser because I have used it and it is very moisturizing, hydrating.
Guys, we have a guest.
Guys, we have a special appearance.
We don't want him, but
We don't
still.
want him, but still.
Want me?
Hello, girl. Hello.
Our speaker is here. Arey
You
Allah.
want me?
Arey aap Jenny.
Content ready आता लेने का.
Now you go sit there.
ओहो नवी नवी वॉच.
Walk करने आया.
नवी नवी वॉच हाँ.
ना नवीन है बबू.
Hersh, you need this. Guys, exactly why you should use deodorant.
Yes.
He's sweaty ना कि smelly.
Sweaty.
Consent, guys, consent.
I don't like this.
Yeah.
But it's very overpowering, which you need right now.
Okay,
guys,
so you all can
This
sit.
is a Cetaphil cleanser. I would highly suggest this cleanser. I have used it. It is tried and tested.
Okay.
Done and tested.
Correct?
Ah.
Then this is another salicylic acid foaming face wash. So guys, you can use this. How is it?
Guys, also wait, a moment of silence for the fact that Dwaj read it at one go.
Wow.
Incredible.
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 Okay, guys.
हाँ.
Russian accent.
Incredible.
Since Isha is here,
Incredible.
Arey,
Incredible.
Now since Isha is here,
Mess these people.
we
Mess.
would
Chaos.
now give the mic to Isha so that she can explain us
किधर है
what is
mic?
glycolic
Mic
acid
किधर है तुम्हारा?
cream and what
Mic
is
किधर है?
benzol peroxide.
Mike किधर है?
Okay, so these both are
When the
for.
benzol peroxide.
So we say prevention is better than cure. These are for prevention. This is to cure things, and
भाई तू
benzol
benzol-
peroxide is for active acne.
खबर है वो कितना harmful है?
So I don't
Block
use
the
it.
blood.
I mix it with moisturizer and then apply it.
Still,
Sure. And glycolic acid is for
it is harmful.
is for pigmentation and
Okay.
acne
I
scars.
have.
Post acne.
So basically, I have none of these, and so I don't have to use
You don't
that
even
product.
deserve
This
them.
is a
What? But I don't even
Arey,
have it.
Shitala. This is a micellar
Ah, this
cleansing
is
water. Is this used for
Makeup
And SPF
remover.
both.
Makeup and SPF.
वो टेडी का enjoy.
He Navraj birthday में मुझे वो
Okay,
करा।
Preservative भी
guys.
है।
Now we are going to be
The moment of
starting
truth.
A longer
Yeah.
segment.
with a
compared
longer
to-
segment and Isha's favorite segment.
Yeah.
These are
Lip balms.
lip balms.
अरे
We
बाप रे।
stopped Isha इतने पे ही because we thought it would take an entire day
Yeah.
to.
These
All
many
of them
would
are
be
waste. Utter waste.
like you.
तो क्या phone अच्छे तो हर.
Okay, so the first lip balm that we are going to talk about is People Farm's lip balm. We spoke
Hello.
about this brand.
उठी गई दीदी उठी गई उठी गई दीदी
का अलग ही चल रहा है.
हेलो
Guys, we know we have a very
हेलो
We'll take a break here.
Yes.
Yes.
Bye guys. अच्छा
Harsh,
हर्षी
let us complete this.
हर्षी बाहर जा रहा है मुझे लगा.
Go बाहर ना.
सुन ना
Harsh, go बाहर.
सुना ना बेबी.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ
एक तो बोलने बाहर बंदू शो.
फोटोज कब भेज रही?
Okay, so guys, we resume over here.
मस्ती कर रहा हूँ.
मथे ती है चर्या.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we have only 5 minutes, so we have to.
नहीं हर्ष का गप्पा can go on till.
First lip balm we are going to talk about is this People Farms lip balm, which we spoke about previously. This is
Yeah.
farm-based lip balm. So
And
yeah,
it's natural, and these are all jar-based lip balms.
yeah, this smells like a coconut oil. So
Chi.
like, I don't
It's
like
nice. I like it.
She
Then we
likes it.
have plum
Plum
candy
ka candy
melts,
melts.
and it's red velvet flavor.
Red. So guys, it's very
Arey,
pigmented.
it's red velvet flavor.
Very pigmented.
It's not
It's red
justifying.
velvet cheesecake.
Bro, give it to me na.
Wait, and then we have obviously, guys, the best.
Excuse me.
Vaseline.
It's my lip balm.
Arey, you can take one.
Yes, I'll introduce
No,
them and you will
no.
say a thing about
Ethanol.
a thing about it. Now the next lip balm that we have, this is Aisha's favorite lip balm and she uses it everywhere. She brings it everywhere. So like this is.
It's like her.
It's the love of my life, guys, and it's
So
like
guys, you might have
it's like
seen.
a sasta Laneige. If you
Laneige?
can't buy Laneige,
I don't know what Laneige is.
Ah,
But,
same. I don't know what is that.
okay, wait. You
I'm
might have
in
seen.
Chic Shack shock.
Good. Stay there.
Okay,
You
Isha.
might have seen Vaseline's coffee wala lip balm.
Hershey's.
Hershey's wala lip balm. That was their. Leave that.
Collab.
Edition.
Collab ऐसा के तो.
Collab. Yeah, so this is lip therapy. She used it everywhere. This is Rosy Lips. I have used it because Aisha forces everybody to use it. No,
I've
I
never-
used it and I have.
Dwarf
Like
just
this.
steals the lip balm and uses it.
Yeah, and he
Simple.
loves Vaseline too. He just
Yes,
won't
I
admit
like
it.
Vaseline. I love this Vaseline. I went to Spiti and used entire bottle of this. So I completed an entire bottle of Vaseline. So guys, that's a win. Guinness World Record. You can give me the.
If you're still watching this, guys, I really appreciate the amount of patience you'll have on tolerating this man. But
you
Ah.
were also in the same video.
yeah,
So you
but
can
I'm
stop.
not.
Listen.
Now
She
we
is
have-
balancing the
now-
cuteness in the video, you
Oh my
know.
God.
Yeah, exactly. And the only reason people are still.
Oh.
Now we have tubes.
Now we have tubes. So the first
I mean, not
is
that tube, you know.
Guys, seriously, you follow her. You subscribe to her.
I mean, you are the one of them.
Yeah, I'm the
Cheap jokes.
I'm the biggest
Are
subscriber.
you a
most-
sucker for cheap jokes?
I'm the biggest fan of Jaini, guys. Please,
Sure.
not like these
The
hypocrites.
next is Renee's Crystal Lip Gloss.
Bro, one of the best, I would say.
I have not used it. So like, oh.
It's too pigmented.
Red
Don't
color,
use it.
bow red color on me to. Like very much pigment.
Yes, see guys.
It stays for so it's not pigmented, but
Since it's my hand, you won't be able to see it properly.
And yeah,
If
it
you use
doesn't
on-
justify. So, but you will understand.
So this is pigmented. So if you don't want to use a
yeah,
lipstick,
this is
you can
for
use
this is more preppy.
Preppy is the word, guys.
Then-
Preppy.
This is SPF.
This has SPF, so your lips do not get tan.
Yeah.
And this is Dot & Keys. So I think Dot & Key is a very well-known brand, and I would suggest if you want to use.
Rene is more
But
well.
I have never heard about.
Rene
that.
is a makeup brand. Dot & Key is a skincare brand.
Yes, so I think you should go with this and Vaseline, too, of course.
Why not?
The
Vaseline
next
is-
uh, Swiss Beauty. I have used this. She has used it a lot. This particular lip balm a lot. If you come to Aisha's place and if she has a lip balm in her hand, she'll be using this one.
In his
What
hand.
is up with the English, brother?
English, I don't know, my mouth is very.
English.
English.
No,
What was
don't
it?
finish
Soup
that.
barawa.
Don't finish that. Yeah, and now this is the.
Arey, wait, you have to compliment this lip balm.
That is the best
You
lip
have
balm.
to-
It is only for 90 rupees, guys. Steal. Buy
Steal.
it right
Buy it
now.
right
Link
now.
in. No link, guys.
No links, guys. We are gatekeepers.
Yeah.
Because it's not
This is.
It's not
now what will we call
paid.
Lip balm?
This is a.
open it and roll it and apply it वाला lip balm.
भाई this is like बचपन वाला lip balm. I
If you
would
want
say.
to think you're applying a lipstick but you're not, but you still want to apply lipstick, use this lip balm because you will be using
Nice,
a lip balm. but
baby
you will-
girl.
Guys, shut up. So this is from Zudio. I had one more from Westside, but I can't find it, and these were.
I
enough.
should suggest if you want to use a glittery lip balm, Mira uses a Zudio ka lip balm,
Hmm.
lip gloss.
Hey, I have tried one of the
I have
Zudios
glosses
ka.
that don't go in either. So this is
No,
lip
no,
balm,
please.
Normal Zudio ka. What is cranberry lip balm? Cranberry, whatever. Just guys live with it.
And this is jelly and butter blue
Blue
heron
heron.
ka.
And this is also really cute. I use this as a blush also. This is my favorite. So
Oh ho ho, nice.
Does this have a heart in between or
it does. It's now kinda.
unhearted? Let me see.
हार्ट का हर्ट हो गया है. अरे खम ना यार, ध्वज फोकस कर लड़ है.
Oh sorry, focus guys,
Oh,
focus.
do you want a gloss on?
No, Leisha, no.
No. Now I want a gloss on.
Okay guys, so
मेरी
I think we are done
पूरी-
with the gloss.
MB,
Now-
GB जो भी है सब
Now
खाली हो
guys,
जाएगा.
now we have the best and the best of all, the trusted and the trusted of all, Vaseline guys,
I
Vaseline.
can't. I have only
This
4
can be used
glosses.
anywhere, everywhere, and it's very much trusted. I would suggest
Please
you-
sponsor
This my
us.
sister has got from Paris, so shout out Piku. And shout out Vaseline.
Please
And
sponsor us.
Paris, Paris,
Also guys.
Pari, it's Pari,
Pari.
babe. Pari.
give us पारी को समझिए YouTube से आदमी को मिला है. Give us
Sponsor.
give us monetization for just this lip balm.
Yeah, and guys, I had also lip glosses also, but Jaini doesn't want them.
No, who is listening to?
Also, now we'll do a makeup.
No, not a makeup oil. Skincare तक ही हम लोग का.
Okay.
So I would suggest this is the guys. Now I would tell you this is the best
Let's do
thing
swatches.
you'll have
ऐशा तू क्यों अठी है?
Sorry.
if you are going to Himachal or any place there.
How many times are you going to mention it?
Yes, we are.
Are we?
We will.
This is some personal
We
beef.
can and
We can and we. I don't think we can, but we will. We can also,
guys,
but we will.
that is exactly what you call Delulu.
Delulu.
अरे चलना बड़ा बंदा. So guys, use this.
भाई Vaseline, you need to sponsor us. I'm putting an
Paris
hashtag.
जरा vibe दे तो.
हाँ ना.
See it.
Such opposites.
बता.
Lip gloss है.
Yeah, all of them are glosses. This is my favorite, but this is
Sugar.
no harsh
Guys,
sugar.
this segment will be
For
taken
shorts.
over by
Eshu
Esha.
baby. She's my Eshu baby. I like
Yeah,
to call
guys.
her Eshu baby.
These are all the glosses.
Wait, I'll put some flash.
Yeah.
So it can be justified enough. Thank God Harsh has not come back.
So these are the glosses, guys, and they are kind of similar, all of them, because I'm basic like that, kind of, or maybe or maybe more.
She's
but
a
it's
basic
fine.
bitch. Simple as that.
Yeah, but that's that. That was about it.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye.